Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the Aussie dollar US dollar FX for Friday, July the 24th. Well, another very small bodied candle today. The size of the body is slightly larger than the previous 3 days, but still, relative to some of these bodies, it's still quite a very small body. Now, this area of resistance that we highlighted, the area around 82.36, 82.63, is still holding as a zone of resistance for this market. The market is having a lot of trouble trading up through there. Now, at least the candle today is green. It has a green body, and it means that the bulls have made some net gain on the day. So that's a small positive for this market. And there wasn't a strong price rejection as we've had in the previous 2 days. So that could be a good sign for this market. Now, the trend is still up. We still have a series of higher highs and higher lows. We don't have a lower high and a lower low, so the trend is still up. Looking at the candle, well, in the day's trading in bar chart terms, we have a lower high but a higher low, and that means that we have an inside day, and an inside day is a day of indecision. And that's just reflecting the indecision in this first time frame uptrend, and it's just basically telling us that the market is having trouble trading up through this resistance, that the bears are not in control. They're having trouble forcing the market down, but the bulls are also having trouble showing any commitment to close the market up above the resistance. So the market is basically congesting at the moment. Looking at the Ichimoku indicators, we're trading up above the cloud, which means that the market is overall bullish. We're trading up above the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen, and the Tenkan Sen is above the Kijun Sen, which means that the market is bullish. The Tenkan Sen is pointing up very sharply, which means that the market still has a lot of that upside momentum. But looking at the Kijun Sen has turned flat, and we know that when the Kijun Sen turns flat, it tends to be an attractor of price action. So there is a chance that we may have a second time frame downtrend, and the market may find support either here at the Tenkan Sen, which is at 80.17, or at the Kijun Sen, which is at 79.61, or we might find support at the top of the cloud. So these lows here where there was upside price rejection become very important for the market over the next few days, and then the highs here and this area of resistance.